Every time someone asks me, how was Rio de Janeiro? Or how is Rio de Janeiro? I just smile because there's really no short answer. Because if I had to sum it up, it's an experience. Rio is full of life, rhythm, and color. I mean, beautiful colors. Especially here in the Copacabana area, you feel that pulse of energy every single day. The beach is just right here. The sunset are breathtaking, and you're just a walk away from music in the streets, amazing food, and a real sense of culture. Now, people always want to know, do you like the people? Honestly, yes. The locals have been welcoming, helpful, and full of good vibes. Of course, like anywhere else, you got to keep your eyes open and be smart, but overall, we felt very embraced and respected. Now, the most question we get of all is on the money side of things. Copacabana isn't the cheapest part of Rio, that's for sure, but it's one of the most touristy and popular areas, so prices can be very high or higher compared to those other parts of Brazil, but you can still find affordable meals, solid Airbnb spots, and fun local spots that won't break the bank. You just have to be willing to go out and explore a little bit, just a little bit beyond the beach side of the tourist traps. Overall, Rio has been real good to us. I hope that sums up most of the questions that's been asked, and I appreciate you guys watching as always. And to the next one, bye now. Peace. One.